राज्य में वैषयिक कर्मशाला संगठित करुअछि। गला 4 मास भितर रायपुर, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद रे हो सारी। ओडिशा रे यही वैषयिक कर्मशाला प्रथम थर पर अनुष्ठित होउछि। मो सहित अछंती इंडियन बिल्डिंग कांग्रेस रो प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर चिन्मय देवनाथ। कालीर जो थीम रही रिसेंट एडवांसेस इन आइकॉनिक बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, एथिरे 5 जन जातीय स्तर अंतर्जातीय स्तर की नोट स्पीकर विभिन्न थीम उपरे कहिबे, यथा सेफ्टी, सस्टेनेबिलिटी, डिजास्टर रेजिलिएंस एवं 10 जन ऑथर या उपरे विशेष आलोकपात करिवे। एही सेमिनार रे ओडिशार केतेगुड़ी आइकॉनिक प्रोजेक्ट्स रही, यथा विश्रामुंडा हॉकी स्टेडियम, सटल, बरगढ़ कैंसर हॉस्पिटल, गोटे हिल उपरे माउंटेन उपरे तैयारी होईची डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर हॉस्पिटल रिसेंटली डीएचएच देवगढ़। ए विषय रे पुखानुपुख आलोचना हेबो, पर्यालोचना हेबो एवं निष्कर्ष जहाँ बाहर ताहा बोथ गवर्नमेंट एवं प्राइवेट सेक्टर रे प्रयोजन करिया पाइंका रिकमेंडेशन रहिबो। ता सहित मु समस्त को अभिनंदन देवी। ओडिशा सरकार एथिरे सक्रिय सहयोग करी आमको यही नेशनल इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करिथिबारु मु आभारी रोची।
IBC Research Center briefed about this program. From Indian Building Congress, being a professional body connected to built environment, we are organizing a program almost every day, many part of the country, depending on this technology development. Tomorrow, on our request, the Works Department of Government of Odisha, along with IBC chapter, have decided to organize the national seminar on that is recent advances in iconic building projects, along with our executive council meeting. And after this deliberation, as you have heard that many experts have come from outside state, we shall submit recommendation to the Odisha government as well as the union government for due implementation, which will be very much beneficial in this area as well as throughout the nation. And in regards to this technical program, there is a 4th session. The keynote speakers are there and expert speakers are there. In regards to Indian Building Congress activity, I would like to add one thing. The Indian Building Congress is organizing capacity building for the engineers, right from junior engineer to super engineer. And there is some sorts of move between Telangana government and Arunachal government with Indian Building Congress. In the same way, tomorrow Honorable Minister of Works is coming, Principal Secretary is also coming. We shall discuss with him so that we can start this in our Bhubaneswar also. In this way, the engineers of this state, the professionals of this state, they are contributing lot in regards to development in this state, and Indian Building Congress with his infrastructure of the country will be standing beside this our Odisha chapter and Work Department of Odisha to see the acceleration in the development of this state. So I hope that tomorrow's program will be a successful one with the output of this deliberation, and I invite all of you to kindly be there so that our deliberation will be in the hall. Maybe around 200 or 300 engineers or participants will hear. But through you, we shall circulate this total message of this outcome throughout the state, throughout the country. It is only you can support us engineering fraternity to exchange our views throughout the country.